In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then click on While using the app or Only this time. And select Allow in all available pop-ups. Then you can close an ad and manage all of those options however you want to. To apply your launcher, hit Set as Default at the top, tap on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, after that, my layout was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to the default one, click on iOS Launcher again, select Set as Default and click on ASUS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!